Good morning, sir. I am your Spark voice assistant. What should I call you, sir?
أحمد.
Welcome, Mr. AMA. How can I help you, sir? Good morning, sir. I am your Spark voice assistant. What should I call you, sir?
أحمد.
Welcome, Mr. Ahmed. How can I help you, sir?
Search.
Sorry, I did not get that.
What time now?
Thursday, December 15th, 11 minutes and 2 seconds 2022.
Search.
What do you want me to search for?
Dogs.
Sorry, I did not get that. Here is
Dogs.
what I found for. Sorry, I did not get that.
Search.
What do you want me to search for?
Cats.
Here is what I found for gets. Sorry, I did not get that.
Find the location.
What is the location?
Giza.
Here is the location of Deezer. Sorry, I did not get that.
Open audio.
The audio now open.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
News.
Sure, sir, now I will read news for you. Number 1, Ukraine War Live Updates. Russia says no Christmas ceasefire, blasts rock Kiev as drones attack the capital, CNBC.
Who are you?
I am your Spark assistant created by Ahmed Adel.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How are you, sir?
I am fine. I am fine.
It's good to know that you're fine.
Go to sleep.
Bye bye.